सब हो गया।
Breakfast. Have you completed the notebook?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Detail.
Question number 2. 4A98 CB3. 4A98 CB3.
So 8 plus 5 equals to
4A98 CB3.
Hi.
98 plus CB3.
So if we add 8 plus 5, we get 13.
Oh, very good. It means 4 and 5. That is 98. Add it. 5 plus 8, 13.
So
1
13.
carry. 1 carry. 9 plus 4, 13.
13.
13 on 1, 14.
So
14.
It means A is, the value of A is,
the A is 5,
A is,
and C is 1.
B is 1 and
C
3.
is 1. Do it. Third, 1A multiplied A, 9A.
So
1A,
if we take A as 6, so we get 36.
1, 6, 6 and
Yes,
6.
sir. Into 6, so 36.
The 66 and 97.
97,
Yes, sir.
96.
So therefore A equals to 6.
A is 6. Okay. Do it. Do it, do it. कैसे लग रहे हैं? Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fourth question.
Yes.
Fourth question is AB 37 6A. AB 37 6A. Fourth, AB 37 6A. This A and this A should be same.
Yes, sir. So 7 plus 5. So B is to be 5.
So then A should be 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. So we get value of A. So 7 plus 5,
If we will take,
13.
listen to
We
me.
get A again.
A.
So A is 3 and B is
So
5.
A is 3 not possible.
So it will be 2.
And A is 2
So A
and
will be 2.
A is 2 possible.
Then A should be
possible.
2.
A
Yes,
is
sir. A
possible.
should be 2 and B should be 5.
हाँ यस ये ठीक है. A is 2, B is 5, that is 3, 7, 5 plus 7,
So
12.
we get
This
62.
A and A same. This is 6.
Yes, sir. So sir, A equals to 2 and B equals to 5.
Very good. A is 2, B is 5.
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th.
Yes, sir.
AB
Yes, sir.
multiplied 3 CAB.
Sir,
3
A
5s are 15.
should be 5 and B should be 0.
So B should be 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So A should be 5 and B should be 0.
Okay, okay. 5 0 into 3. 3 0 0 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now
Yes, sir. So sir,
C
A
is
equals to 5,
C is
B equals
A
to
is
0 and B
A
equals
is
to 1.
A is 5.
So yes, so B
B
is
is
0
C
and
is
C
1.
is 1.
Okay. Here this number A should be same. This is B and B should be same, and that is C. इस क्वेश्चन में जितने भी लिखे हुए हैं सब एक होने चाहिए, सेम होने चाहिए. जहां A लिखा हुआ सब
Yes.
सेम होने चाहिए. ऐसा ही नहीं कि ये A डिफरेंट और ये डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. नहीं. अब देखिए यहाँ पे A है 5, यहाँ A 5, यहाँ B 0, यहाँ B 0, यहाँ पे C 1. Do it fast.
Sir,
Sir, done.
Next is 16.
yes, so 6.
AB multiplied 5.
Yes, sir.
AB multiplied 5 CAB. AB multiplied 5 CAB.
Sir, A should be 5
A should be 5 and B should be 0.
So should be 0 and A should be 5.
Okay, 5 and 0 multiplied 5. 5 0 0 5 5s are 25.
the 25.
Okay, yes. A is 5,
And sir, B is 0,
B is 0,
C is 2.
A is 5, B is 0, C is 2. C is 2.
Sir, done.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Done.
okay, okay. Next is AB multiplied 6BBB. Seventh. AB multiplied 6 B B B.
Sir, A equals to 7,
And A will be
B
7
equals to
and
4.
B will be 4.
Hmm. 7 into 4 multiplied 6. अब चेक करिएगा क्या सभी भी all the b's will be 4 or not? Please check it. 6 4s are 24. 2 carry 6 7s are 42, 42 or 2 44. बिल्कुल right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
A is
Sir, A
7.
equals to 7 and B equals to 4.
ओके, ये हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड है, इसमें आपको करके देखना पड़ेगा कि हाँ ये क्या हो सकता है इसमें. ठीक है ना.
Yes, sir.
These questions are depend on hit and trial method. ओके, आपने क्या है वैल्यू पुट कर चेक करके करना पड़ेगा कि हाँ इसकी वैल्यू अब यह पुट करेंगे तो ये आएगा, ये पुट करेंगे तो ये आएगा, ये पुट करेंगे तो ये आएगा. ठीक है ना. हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड इसमें. Do it fast.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, very good. Eight. A1 1b b0, a1 1b b0. Question number 8.
Sir, 8. Yes, sir.
A1 1b
So B0.
b0. एडिशन है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
1 में क्या ऐड करें? b में 1 में
Sir,
क्या
A
ऐड
should
करें?
be 7,
Sir, B में 9 and A में
9, 3, 7.
Okay. 1 is 9. 1 plus 9 0. 1 carry.
Yes, sir. Carry. So,
अब आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे 9 लेके आना है, 9 लेके आना है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 9 आ चुका है ना b की वैल्यू, यहाँ 1 है ही।
Yes, sir.
Okay. A will be 8.
No, sir. 7.
1 carry है, 1 carry का चिकन पहले।
So it will be 7. Because 1 is carried.
Because there is one
8 and
already
1
carry.
carry.
Because there is one already carried.
So it will be 7.
It will be 7
Sir, 7.
7.
plus 1. Okay. Now A is 7.
And B is 9.
B is
It is 9.
9.
9. A is 7. B is 9.
Done, sir.
Two AB. AB 1.
Yes, sir. AB1. B1 8.
B 1 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The value of
Sir,
B
A
should be
will
7.
4 and B will be 7.
B
Sir,
7.
8.
7 plus 1
You
8.
can take A as 4 and B as 7.
So
7 plus
7
1 8.
8. Yes, sir.
Okay. And the value of B is 7. Yes, 7. यहाँ पे 1
So sir,
7 1 will be added to 7, it becomes 11. It is
Yes, sir.
4 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry, 1 carry, and the value of B is 7. It should be
Yes.
7.
Yes, sir.
And A is 4,
Yes, sir. 4 plus
Yes.
and there is 1 carry, 1 carry, it becomes 2. 2 is here. Okay.
6 plus 1 is 7.
Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
What is
So
A?
A
A is
equals
4.
4.
B is
7.
7.
okay. Do it.
Yes,
Do it. Do it.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Done.
Done.
Okay. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done हो गई.
In the class, Arav, Aditya, Aditi Singh, Balakrishna, Utkarsh, Singh. Test of divisibility. Okay, divisibility rule. Divisibility rule. You have already studied in 6th class. Okay. Divisibility rule. Divisibility rule. Rule. Divisibility rule. First, first divisible by 2, divisible by 2. Those number which are ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
So the one place should be even.
Okay.
Then
So the last should be even.
Yeah, unit digit.
So the number and the even number is capital indivisibility of.
Listen to me. 0 is even. 0 is even. The number ends with. The numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. For example, for examples, for examples, 2148, 9060, 7100, 8 and 6. These number are divided by 2 because in this number this number is end with 2, 8. This number ends with 0. This number ends with 6. Okay? Any doubt, any problem?
Okay.
Okay, quick
No,
pause.
sir.
Next is, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3. Okay. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, if the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then whole number is divisible by 3. For example, For example, 3125. 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4,
11.
15.
15.
Okay.
15 is divisible by 3.
Sum of digits. Sum of digits.
Yes.
Sum of digits.
So the sum of digits will be divisible by
15.
Sum of digits. That is 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4.
So
4
that
plus 2, 6 plus 5,
Then it is
11 plus
15.
15. Here 15 is divisible by
5 plus
15 is
20.
divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, then 31,254 is also divisible by 3. समझ में आया नहीं आया?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.